Welcome to the Realmen's Electrical Engineering channel. Sa video na ito ay ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo paano gamitin ang mesh nodal analysis for solving a DC circuit. So for you to get updated videos, so subscribe lang sa YouTube channel ko. And thank you. For this topic, we're going to solve about DC circuit using mesh nodal analysis. And then, nakita nyo, meron tayong source na 30 volts, meron tayong source na 20 volts, and then resistors of 2 kilo ohms, 5 kilo ohms, and 4 kilo ohms. And then we're going to solve VO output voltage for 4 kilo ohms. So, ang unang gagamitin natin is we're using mesh analysis. So, pag gagamit tayo ng mesh, gagawa tayo ng loop. We assume is as I1, itong loop na to, we assume it as I2, okay? And then, next is gagawa tayo ng mesh current. Itong loop na to, itong circuit, itong 2 kilo ohms, ang current niya is I1. So, therefore, ang equation niya is 2 kilo ohms, ang current niya is I1. Okay, plus itong 5 kilo ohms, ang current niya is I1 minus I2. Mag-focus tayo sa loop na to. So therefore, ito yung equation niya. So this is 5 kilo ohms. Ang current niya is I1 minus I2. And then, have you observed on the supply, enter siya ng positive. Oops. Punta siya ng positive 20. Balik siya ng negative 30 volts. Therefore, ang equation natin is plus 20 minus 30 volts is equals to 0. So, ito na yung ating magiging equation 1. Okay? I-simplify natin. We have itong I1 natin. So, meron tayong 5 plus 2. So, this is 7. And then, plus I2. Meron tayong negative 5. Okay, transposing 30 minus 20, we have 10. Okay, and then for loop 2. So dito na naman tayo mag-focus sa pangalawang loop na to. For loop 2. So itong current na to, itong 4 kilo ohms, ang current niya is I2. So, 4 kilo ohms. Ang current niya is I2. Okay? Plus, itong 5 kilo ohms, ang current niya is I2 minus I1. Pag ito ang reference nating loop. So, this is 5 kilo ohms. This is I2 minus I1. And then, about naman sa supply, have you observed that enter siya ng plus? Balik siya ng minus. So, this is negative 20 volts is equals to 0. So, ito na yung ating magiging equation 2. Okay, and then meron tayong nakalimutan. This is key, this is key. because 5 kilo ohms. And then, i-regroup natin. So, I1. So, yung ating I1 is meron tayong negative 5 key. And then, plus yung ating I2, meron tayong 4 plus 5. So, this is 9 kilo ohms is equals to, this is 20 volts. Okay, using calculator, using ES plus calculator to equation to anon is I1, I2. Okay, using your calculator, we have anong current natin? So we have dalawang 5 milliampere. So this is 5 milliamps. This is 5 milliamps. Okay, and then i-check natin sa calculator para sabihin tama. This is 7 minus 5 to 10. Then negative 5, 9, 20. So 5 milliampere. So therefore, yung BO natin is, yung BO natin dito is, yung current niya is mismo I2. Therefore, ang BO natin is I2, this is 5 milliampere multiplied ng 4 kilo ohms. And then, the answer is 20 volts. So, therefore, ito na yung ating sagot pag hahanapin yung BO using mesh analysis. And then, next is gagamit tayo ng nodal. So, pag gagamitin yung nodal is madali lang. So, for using nodal, nodal analysis, we assume is ito yung mga node niya. Ito yung common node. So we assume it as B sub O. So for this junction, we assume all as leaving. So ito, this is leaving. Ayon. So, VO. So, tatlong current ang palabas. Assume natin na tatlong current ang palabas. So, therefore, for current, this is, sabihin na natin to is, this is IA, this is IB, this is IC. Okay? For nodal, so, lahat sila palabas. So, we have IA plus IB plus IC is equals to 0. This is V. Okay? Then, we have the equation na. So, VO, ito yung maging equation ng IE. Is VO minus 30, minus because this is positive. 30 over 2 kilo ohms. Plus, yung IB is, this is VO over 4 kilo ohms. And then, IC is plus VO minus 20 over 5. 5 kilo ohms is equals to 0. And then, solving for VO, solving for VO, we have this is 1 over 2 kilo ohms plus 1 over 4 kilo ohms plus 1 over 5 kilo ohms is equals to this is 20 is 20 over 5k, and then plus ito, i-transpose natin siya sa kabila, plus 30 over 2,000 kilo ohms. And then ang sagot natin VO is, using your calculator, we have VO is 20 volts. So, yung VO na hinahanap natin, itong VO is, ito na yung voltahe ni 4 kilo ohms because they are connected in parallel. So, therefore, ito na yung ating sagot for solving VO. So, pag kino-compare natin, mas madali mahanap ang VO using nodal analysis compare sa mesh analysis. So, para madali i-solve ang circuit is kailangan natin for mesh, gagawa tayo ng loop na this is loop 1, I1 and loop 2. So, ito na yon. Loop 1 and loop 2. And then for nodal, so hahanap tayo ng common node. So sa junction na to, ito yung common node. Assume as VO, and then assume all current leaving, so IE, IV, IC. So ito na yung ating nodal equation. And then we're going to simplify and then get the answer. So VO is 20 volts using nodal, using mesh is 20 volts. And for you to get the latest updated videos, just subscribe to my channel, means Electrical Engineering channel. Thank you.